Today I am on my laptop workstation. The task is I have to go through all these video clips, footages of the IP cameras, and I would like to take snapshots from these videos and store them in this folder here. So this is the Python code that I have written today. If I press F, and one should notice the minutes, if I press F it will fast forward. If you see the minutes there, it has fast forward. If I press R on the keyboard, it will reverse. And if I press S, then the snapshot, the current image will be stored here in the folder here. So I'm going to fast forward it so that it will not take long. And very soon I will be taking snapshots of particular images that I need for further processing. And here we see the snapshots there. They are saved there. I will go with my mouse and let's see them. And one should guess why I need these snapshots.